Make a bad chimney good with a Duro Draft Optimizer. A Duro Draft Optimizer is mounted on top of the chimney and the cable is run through the roof and into the attic. And now all you need is a socket outlet. You start the Duro Draft Optimizer by turning the control knob of the regulator on the wall, or by using the remote control. And now all you need to do is enjoy the perfect combustion. And your happy neighbour. A Duro Draft Optimizer, the smoke exhauster that ensures you less smoke, easy lighting, and better combustion. A Duro Draft Optimizer also has low energy consumption and is easy to mount. A Duro. We make it easier to do it right.